all time. This is where I draw the line. Can't stop my shine, they know it's my time. Let the world know I've arrived. I'm on the rise, unstoppable. Watch me do the impossible. Watch me do what I got to do. I'm too hot for you, I'm not about to lose. I'm the greatest. Big smile for the haters. Whole world know that I made it.
Welcome back, everyone. Hope you are all going well. Tonight, we will be hosting the Money in the Bank main event contract signing for the world title. Now, please welcome the challenger, Brock Lesnar. Now please welcome the World Heavyweight Champion, Roman Reigns.
I got in the car last night, I went back to the hotel, I called Arn Anderson, I said, Arn, brother, it's over. I got drunk, I woke up today, I said, it's over. I called my wife, she said, get home, it's over. I got up. On the plane, I sat down, the flight attendant said, what do you want, Mr. Flair? And I said, hell, I want to go to Baltimore.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's as far as I would go if I were you. I can still appreciate you, even though you're such a dick.
Seth Rollins is here. Does Seth Rollins have what it takes to win the Money in the Bank?
Now, I'm going to cut to the chase, because I figured you guys just want to sing all night anyway. I'm back for one reason. I've seen them all, I've faced them all, I've beat them all, I've done it all. But I got into this business not just to be one of the best. I got into this business to be the very greatest, best of all time. And I can't do that without getting the World Heavyweight Championship.
They don't want us to succeed here, okay? Because if they try to change who we are, we ain't gonna let it happen. They will not change who we are. There are gonna be a ton of superstars, entertainers from around the globe, but this is our universe.
Did everything right. I don't take nights off. I fight through injuries. Every single time I walk through that curtain and I get in that ring, I lay it all on the line.
There is absolutely nothing old school about beer bats and crotch chops. Those are the reasons that this business, our business, has become a mockery. See, we're not sports entertainers. We are professional wrestlers.
Buck's here. CM Punk, another contender in the Money in the Bank match. Does he have the potential to win?
Things I want to say and a lot of business to get to, but before all that,
I wrestle physically demanding matches on free television week in and week out, so much that my 1 year equals 30 of theirs.
Punk, I'm just out here. I'm out here because I really think you could help me understand. You know, you're talking actions have consequences. I'm trying to understand why that applies to everyone in your life except you.
And I've attained this success not because of you. I am successful not because of you. I am successful in spite of you.
Oh my God!